John Hancock Life Insurance App. The pros, the cons. Most people assume managing life insurance is complicated, but the John Hancock Life Insurance App makes it surprisingly easy. You won't believe how much control it puts in your hands right from your phone. The app allows users to view policies, track premium payments, and access digital policy documents instantly. One of its standout features is the ability to submit claims directly through the app and monitor their progress in real time. John Hancock also provides wellness tools and financial planning resources, helping users understand their coverage, plan for retirement, and even explore additional insurance products. A key advantage is convenience. Users can update personal information, beneficiaries, and contact details without needing to call customer support. Push notifications remind you of upcoming payments and policy changes, keeping your coverage on track. However, there are some drawbacks. Some features may be confusing for first-time users, especially the financial planning tools. Additionally, complex claims or questions often require speaking with a John Hancock representative, which can feel slower than the instant digital tools. In conclusion, the John Hancock Life Insurance App is an excellent resource for anyone looking to manage their life insurance efficiently. Its combination of policy access, wellness resources, and real-time claim tracking provides both convenience and peace of mind. While beginners may need a little time to explore all features, the app is a reliable companion for staying on top of life insurance and making informed decisions about your coverage.